And welcome everybody to a special edition of the Smash News Network meteorology segments. Today we're going to include a European new snow forecast since it was requested. Thanks to whoever that viewer was who requested it. First thing we're looking at are the surface winds of the eastern world. Some interesting wind ridges happening here over the Pacific Ocean. This area right here where you have calm winds and stronger winds both east and west of you if you're in that location. It's a strange part of the ocean at the moment. Next, the jet streams of the east. There are the jet streams quite incoherent here, and some major bends over Australia, bringing some cold air into southwestern Australia for your first full day of summer. Happy summer, happy winter if you're in the northern hemisphere. Did you view our live stream yesterday? We did a kindergarten student-friendly live solstice stream yesterday. It's been remonetized, so we'll recommend it, and we won't remove it from YouTube. Major convergence here over the jet stream. Right over Japan, so clear skies likely over Japan at the moment. Some cold air coming in from the north and some warm air coming in from the south. What about the jet streams of the western world, you ask? Well, there they are. Some significant kinks over the U.S. and indeed doubled up jet streams, tripled up jet streams over portions of the northern hemisphere. Quite a bit of chaos in the south. Some chaotic jet stream flow on the western side of the planet. Here are the surface winds. And we still see a strong low here in the north central Atlantic. Quite significant winds there, reaching at least 60 miles per hour, probably a little more than that. Approaching hurricane force winds, I'll say. So, what have you been doing with your first less than 1 day into winter? Thanks everybody who tuned into our live stream yesterday. Our live solstice, it's spelled S-O-U-L-S-T-I-C-E. You see what we did there? It's a word play. It's a play on words and spellings and so on. Here's a clip from yesterday's live stream. Again, it was kindergarten student friendly. Again, here's a clip. Dear Meta, we insist that you fix your software. Can anybody corroborate what I've said here? Dear Meta, we insist that you fix your software. It is absolutely pathetic. And let's get back to meteorology stuff. Here's your European positive snow depth forecast. All right, so there is your GFS forecast for positive snow depth change through Christmas. So this isn't referencing snow that you've already got. This is just an 84-hour forecast based on the GFS model for positive snow depth change. So 80 hours is pushing it. It's beyond 3 days, but it's pretty close. You may see some tweaks happening to this. That's the current GFS model. Here's the GFS model for positive snow depth change over the U.S. And quite a bit of snow continuing to fall here. Another 3 feet forecasted there for parts of California. More like 4 feet for portions of this southern part of the range here. We're certainly seeing 4 feet of snow showing up on the model there. That's the 84-hour positive snow depth GFS forecast for the lower 48. Likelihood of a white Christmas here in Lehigh Valley, Pennsylvania, kind of low at the moment. Here's the European forecast for the lower 48. That is through 2200 on Christmas. Not expecting a white Christmas on either the GFS nor the Euro model. And for Eastern California, yowzers. Buried in foot after foot after foot of snow. Next, your weather.gov map. If your county's lit up, just click it at weather.gov. We can't go over all those counties. There are a lot of counties in the U.S., and most of the warnings here are winter weather related. Anyway, once again, weather.gov. Here's your NASA GOES lightning map, or no terrestrial lightning over the U.S. And here's a real-time lightning map, I think. And we did originally stream this video live, folks, so just bear with me. There we go. And we've got bonus features built into the daily space weather. Make sure you watch our meteorology segments. All right, folks. So here's the lightningmaps.org. Real-time lightning map, no terrestrial lightning over the U.S. Let's move on. Thanks to our new follower over at Twitch, twitch.tv/smashamash. Please host the videos over on Twitch. Tell your friends and foes about us. We do regular live streams, twitch.tv/smashamash. It's such a great live streaming platform that we use it on the regs. Twitch.tv/smashamash. We also are on BitChute. If you're only viewing the videos on BitChute, make sure you go subscribe on YouTube and install the Twitch app. Thanks to all of our BitChute subscribers. Thanks to everybody that is able to find our videos on YouTube. Congratulations on realizing we exist. Please consider becoming a member of the Smash team if you want to see the videos continue to exist and remain publicly visible and free for all to view. smashamash.com/smash team. Here's a teaser. We usually only include disaster reports for paid members. But because it's the holiday season, we'll be including various free posts. Also, if you're in the market for a bike, if you're a prepper and you don't have a bike, you need one. If you see a Walking Dead scenario happen, you better have a bicycle. You'll become the savior of your neighborhood. Using the most efficient means ever devised to transport humans, the bicycle. So look me up there. Links below the video to that as well if you want to buy a bicycle. I've been doing it for a while. So hit me up. I'll help you shop. And it will not cost you anything extra. Next, your water vapor map over the Pacific Ocean. This is what's going on over the Pacific in terms of water vapor. It's part of the NASA GOES Interactive Weather Satellite Suite. The water vapor map is pretty sweet. It'll help you out when the Doppler radar is not being so helpful. Speaking of Doppler radar, here's the U.S. Doppler radar map. Quite a bit of precipitation there over Hawaii, especially over the Big Island. We're going to focus on the lower 48. Some precipitation moving off of the eastern seaboard here into New England. If you want to check out that map yourself, it's at radar.weather.gov. Here's your shortwave radiation map showing you clouds and fog at nighttime. Look at all the low clouds over the Gulf and indeed over northern Florida. Lots of low clouds there. Here is the water vapor map for the lower 48. And you can see some cold air making its way into places like Kentucky and Tennessee, pushing down into the Carolinas. This is cold Canadian air making its way toward even into places like northern Georgia. You're going to see a massive temperature demarcation line happening there as a result of that jet stream interaction. Here's your recap, the U.S. Doppler radar. And we brought daily space weather, people, just for a quick moment during the recap. If you don't watch the meteorology segments, there's part of it. Here is the shortwave radiation map. And there is the water vapor. Thanks for tuning in. Congratulations on realizing the channel exists. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. Smashamash, signing off from the Smash News Network, least busted name in news.